Hi, Johan. I'd like to take the chance to just update what I've done so far. So, as just following the previous uh, email, I have just followed the shift that you had defined, fix some bugs within the shift date when it's initial months, and also fix some issue when it's duplicate something. Previously, the finish time, if it's just be something in AM, but the start time of PM, then sometime the duplication would just make the finish time ahead of the start time. That would cause some problem. Well, coming back to the planning board, you can see the most obvious change is here. The cheat code filter can be used to just select different people with different corresponding skills. Backshift and the assignment also all located here. It's also happened with the list. You can actually just feel free to update the time accordingly. That would be reflected in the planning view. So basically, you can just drag dropping. Oh, that's not enough time. Uh, But when there are too many people listed in this view, you can hover the mouse to see the details, who they are, and what's the skill, and the start and finish time. The same is true here. So in that case, even if it's in a week, work week view, it's a really narrow bars. You can still see something like this, and feel free to drag dropping as you wish. That would be reflected immediately. And yeah, so that would be happened with all this stuff. And very likely you would experience something like this. And if some of the allocation not appeared here, you should try click the button twice. For example, here it's not quite right. Okay, this is still right. But sometime I have experienced something that's quite annoying. Oops, strange, it's working fine. So let me just switch here. Yeah, okay, no, it's still here. But the detail would be quite hard to identify in this case. Then you need to go to the list to show the detail. Sometimes you need to just clean the filters to see how it's going. Uh, this is if there's not many allocation you want to see much, but if you just choose a different cheat code, it would only list the corresponding cheat code accordingly. Yeah, that would be too much. So let me still just, yeah, in this case, you can say the event is not displayed, although it's actually, there's some control here, but that's a problem of the underlying framework. To make it working, you can just try to click this button several times, but it may not always working. So in that case, you should go back to the planning board again to see its result. Unfortunately, this is an underlying framework issue. I cannot really fix it. And for the remaining issue, you want to split the big task to multiple people. Unfortunately, it's my last day, so another colleague of my team would assist you in the future. So that's all. Good luck. Thank you. Bye.